Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So it's often happen when your antivirus or Windows firewall block the installer. Here, please make sure you're running the latest version of the AMD Auto Detect and install or the full AMD driver package, which can be found here. So you can download from here for the latest graphic driver. You can select based on your graphic. For example, you can try to search your graphic in here, and this is the latest graphic you can get. So the second is check your antivirus software. You may also consider disabling your antivirus temporarily until the installation of AMD software package is complete. So please disable your antivirus, and you can configure system firewall setting to allow traffic with AMD server. So you can tap search here and you can type allow app through firewall, or just go to the firewall setting. Here, allow an app through Windows firewall. You can search the AMD in here and check the box. So the AMD servers may temporarily offline due to maintenance. You can't do anything about this. You just wait the servers back to normal. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.